हम लोग क्लास 9 का बायोलॉजी लेसन 1 का रिवीजन कर रहा हूँ। इसमें जो है कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, क्वेश्चंस को जो है दोबारा जो है उसको डिवाइड कर दे रहा हूँ। पहला है एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इन सेल। न्यूक्लियस क्या है? The nucleus are invented by Robert Brown in 1831. क्या बोला? Robert Brown in 1831. Eight cells, the mid part of the found are situated on a spherical या egg-like structure that is the called of the nucleus. There are following part of nucleus. First, nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Second, nucleoplasm. Third, nucleolus. Fourth, chromatin thread. फर्स्ट के बारे में, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन क्या लिखा? 8 cells found on the one nucleus in the middle part of the cells. It is the invention of the first Charles Robert Brown in 1831. There are a following main part of the nucleus. First, nuclear membrane. These nuclear membrane are a double layer. Those are a surrounding of the nucleoplasm. Some traces distance found a nucleopore. These pores are an exchange of some different type of materials to nucleoplasm into cytoplasm. These are a cover to nucleoplasm, and the outer surface is the saturated of the endoplasmic reticulum. Second, nucleoplasm. The nuclear membrane's inner part of the film nucleoplasm. Those nucleoplasm is the contained by following type of organic and inorganic material. These are a carbohydrate, proteins, fats, enzymes, hormones, etc. materials are filled in the nucleoplasm. And some are inorganic type of materials. For example, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium are filled in the nucleoplasm. Third, nucleolus. Each nucleus is the found of a nucleolus. These are contained by DNA, RNA, and protein. The 85% contained by protein 10% contained by RNA and 5% contained by DNA. These are inventions by Fontana. Fourth, it is the irregular type of a thread-like structure that is the cut of the chromatins. Chromatin is contained by histone proteins. These histone proteins, during these cell divisions, it is divided into small parts, and some after time the structure is changed into rod-like structure, that is the called of the chromosomes. Function of nucleus. Function of nucleus. First function है, all cells are a controlling power in this nucleus. First. Second, all genetic materials are a result in the nucleus. Third, it is the started of the cell divisions by the nucleus. Fourth, these are a secretions of the hormones and enzymes. Those are more activity in the cell formations. These are a main role of the cells. These are involved to all controlling power, all genetic material are results, and all controlling power in our body. These are a result in the cell nucleus. Second question है, function difference between animal cells and plant cells. Animal cells and a plant cell. पहला एनिमल सेल लिख लीजिए, एनिमल सेल्स. दूसरा प्लांट सेल्स. एनिमल सेल्स के बारे में the cell wall are absent in animal cells, but all plant cells are a present of the cell wall. इसमें क्या होता है, सेल वॉल जो है प्रेजेंस होता है. सेकंड है vacuoles are absent. If you counted up the vacuoles, these are a very small size, but plant cells have big vacuoles in the plant cells. Third, centrosome are present in the animal cells. But plant cells are a centrosome are absent. Centrosome are absent. अगला it is the not found of cell plate. but plant cell have cell plate during the cell division. Formation of during the cell division. Fifth, the plant cells, it is the knockout of the cell plate during the cell division, but centrosomes, cell plate are a formation during the cell divisions in the plant cells. अगला है इसमें 5 कि plant cells is the animal cell is the heterotrophic, but plant cell is the autotrophic because it is the form of plastids. इसमें प्लास्टिड पाई जाती है जो 3 तरह की होती है. पहला क्रोमोप्लास्ट, ल्यूकोप्लास्ट एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट, बट इट इज absent of the plastids, so it is the non-formation of in our food materials. ये आपका दूसरा क्वेश्चन. अब इसके बाद what is the chromosomes? What is the number of chromosomes in human cells? During the cell division, chromatin thread is the break to the place by place, and some after the structure is the change into rod-like structure, that is the called of the chromosomes. Chromosomes is the rod-like structure. Is the rod-like structure. Matrix, chromosphere, chromomeres, primary, contractile, secondary, contractile, इसको कहते हैं सैटेलाइट. The structure of chromosomes. हमने क्या बोला कि कोशिकाओं के विभाजन के दौरान केंद्रक के अंदर का क्रोमेटिन जगह जगह ब्रेक करके टूट जाता है और कुछ समय पश्चात वह एक छड़ाकार आकार की रचना बना लेता है जिसको हम क्रोमोसोम्स कहते हैं. ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिविजन्स द chromatin thread are a break, and some time after these threads are easily changed into rod-like structure. Those structure is the part of the chromosomes. Chromosomes का structure है ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ. These rod-like structure is situated of the following parts. First है पेरिकल्स. Pellicles is a thin single layer. This is the cover of the matrix of chromosomes. Second, matrix. Matrix is the granular proteins. It is the field of the chromosomes. Second, chromospheres. These are a coil-like structure. These are actually all part of the chromosomes. It is the separated of a granular-like parts. These are a kind of the chromomeres. Chromomeres fill in the DNA and RNA. These are the unit of genetics. And some places are a contacted formation of the primary contacted, second was secondary contacted. Then after remain of the part of chromosomes is the called of satellites. The number of chromosomes in the human body 23 pairs. कितने होते हैं? 23 pairs, जिसमें 22 होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं, समजात क्रोमोसोम होते हैं, और 1 पेयर जो होते हैं हेटेरोलोगस होते हैं, विषमजात क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं, जो सेक्स डिटरमिनेशन में वो अपीयर होते हैं। ये है उन लोगों का क्रोमोसोम्स के बारे में। थैंक यू।